How are you? How are you? I am fine. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Mohammed. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live at Dhaka. What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Tanha Rahman. What is your father's name? What is your father's name? My father's name is MD Atakar Rahman. How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? I have 2 brothers. How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have? I have 3 sisters. What is the name of your best friend? What is the name of your best friend? My best friend name is Rafik. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? My hobby is photography. What is your aim in life? What is your aim in life? My aim is life to be a businessman. May I talk to you? May I talk to you? Yes, you can. How is your mother? How is your mother? She's fine.
How is your father? How is your father? He is good. How is your younger brother? How is your younger brother? He is fine. Can you help? Can you help? Yes, I can. Are you a student? Are you a student? Yes, I am. Do you like to eat fat food? Do you like to eat fat food? Yes, I do. What is your height? What is your height? My height is 5 feet 6 inch. How much is your watch? How much is your watch? It's 1000 taka. Where is it from? Where is it from? It's from Beshandara city. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, I can. What is the name of your mobile phone? What is the name of your mobile phone? My mobile phone's name is Symphony. What is your blood group? What is your blood group? It's O positive. Do you like to take exercise? Do you like to take exercise? Yes, I do. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I am talking to you. Where is your pen? Where is your pen? It's in the bag. Where is the laptop? Where is the laptop? The laptop is on the table. Do you need help? Do you need help? Yes, I need. What is your occupation? What is your occupation? I am a student. Where do you study? Where do you study? I study is Dhaka College. Do you like your college? Do you like your college? Yes, I like. How many teachers do you have in your college? How many teachers do you have in your college? There are many teachers in my college. Is there any field in your college? Is there any field in your college? Yes, there is a field in my college.